Good morning class. Today we are going to continue with problem set 33, that is prime and composite numbers. But before that we are going to learn one more divisibility check of 3. Divisibility check of 3. Earlier in the last video we learnt about the divisibility check of 2, 4, 2, 5, 10, right? We are going to learn one more divisibility check of 3. Now how to check this? Now like supposing if I am having a number 3, 6, 9 and 8. Now in this also we have to check the last number? No. We have to find out the sum of this number. Sum of this number means you have to add 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 8. Did you understand what I said? You have to add these numbers 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 8. Now what will be the number? 3 plus 6 is 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 8 is what? 26. 18 plus 8 is 26. Okay. Now this number you have to find out whether this number comes in the table of 3 or not. Does 26 come in the table of 3? No. 24, then 27. This number does not come in the table of 3. That means this number is not divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 3. Understood? Okay. I'll take one more number. It is 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6. So what we have to do? 1 plus 2 plus 6 is equals to what? 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 comes in the table of 3? Yes. That means 126 is divisible by 3. I hope you all have understood this. Okay children. Now moving further, coming to prime and composite numbers. Now here some numbers are given in the tables below. Write all their factors. You have to write their factors. Okay. We have learnt about the factors, no? Now this is 2. This is done. 3 sums are done for you. 3 numbers are done. For 2 the factors are 1 and 2. 1 by default is there and 2 the number itself is also there. You have learned, no? Same thing in 3, 1 and 3. Coming to 4, it is 1, 2 and 4. 2 2s are 4. That's why 1, 2 and 4. Coming to the next number, it is 1. 1 will be there for all the numbers. So 1 and 5 comes in the table of 5 only. So we have to write 1 and 5. Coming to the next number. So first write 1. Now 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6. And 6 itself is definitely there. Moving further. Coming to the next number, it is 11. Now 11 comes in the table of 11 only. First write 1, then it is 11. Coming to the next number, 12, 1. Now 12, 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12. Then 4's table, yes, 4 3s are 12. And then 6 2s are 12 and then 12 is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the factors of 12. Coming to next number 1. Then remember children, I told the last number, if it is even number, it is divisible by 2. So you have to write here 2. 2 8s are 16. Now 3 will be there. In 3's table 16 comes? No. 4th table? Yes. 4 4s are 16. 5? No. 6, no. 7, no. 8 2s are 16, right? 8 2s are 16, and then you have to write the number 16 itself. So the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Coming to 19, 1. Then 19 comes in any other table? No, it comes only in 19. Right? Moving further to the last number, it is 25. So it is 1, 5 5s are 25 and 25 itself. Right, children? So in this way we have completed the table. As told earlier, do it in the textbook itself. Learn from here, understand from here. No need to do it in your notebook. Okay, children? Now, after finishing this, just look at this table. Do you find something same? Yes, there is 1 in all the numbers. So, 1 and the number itself are the factors of that number. You have understood this till now. Now, coming to the next thing from this question is, you can see somewhere only 2 numbers are there. 1 2, 1 3, 1 5, 1 11, 1 19. And remaining numbers, you can see there are many other numbers. So children, where there are only 2 numbers, 1 and the number itself are the prime numbers, are called the prime numbers. Understood, children? So which are the, in this table, which are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 11 and 19. These are the prime numbers. Okay. Now this is till 25. Till 25, but the numbers written here are till 20. After that 21, 22 there are prime numbers but not mentioned here. So I can say from 1 to 20 it is 2, 3, 5. 7 is missing. Right? 7 is also a prime number. 7 doesn't come in any other table. So here when we see, when we look at these numbers, you can say 2, 3, 5, 11 and 19 are prime numbers. Now from all the prime numbers, 2 is the smallest prime number as well as it is the only even prime number. Even prime number. Other all the prime numbers are odd. Understood, children? Remaining all the other prime numbers are odd. Only 2 is even. It is the smallest. Now you will say, what about 1? 1 is the smallest number. Now let us talk about 1. Here I told you all there are 2 numbers, 1 and itself. So if I find out the factors of 1, what will be the other factor than 1? Can you answer me? What will be the other factor? 1 is the number. Its factor is only 1. So as told earlier, it should have 2 numbers. So 1 is not having the other number. So it doesn't come in the category of prime number or composite number. So 1 is neither prime or composite. Got it, children? The numbers which are not prime are called composite numbers. I hope you all have understood this. Okay. Now moving further. This is page number 49. You can see page number 49. Now these are the points to remember. A number which has only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself, is called a prime number. Got it, children? That is what was explained. A number which has only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself, is called a prime number. Coming to the second point. A number which has more than 2 factors, more than 2 factors, is called a composite number. A number which has more than two factors is called a composite number. Right, children? One is a number which is neither prime nor composite. Correct? One is neither prime nor composite. Okay, children, coming to problem set 34. Now your problem set 34 is asking you to write all the prime numbers between 1 and 20. So we will write here, simply we have to write question number 1. We have to write beginning from 1, no, it is 2, then 3, then 5, 6 will come, no, 7, then 9, 8, no, 9, no, 10, no, it is 11, 13, 17 and 19. They are the prime numbers. So you can begin with prime numbers from 1, between 1 and 20 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19 are the prime numbers from 1 to 20. Done? Coming to the next question. Write all the composite numbers between 21 and 50. All the composite numbers means which are not prime. Okay, children. So numbers between 21 to 50. So what you will write? 21 comes in the table. Yes. 22. Yes. 23. No. You have to write here 24. Then 25. 26 also comes. 27 also comes. 9 3s are 27. 28. Then 30. 31 comes? No, 31 doesn't come. So 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37 will not come, 38, 39, 40, 41 will not come, 42, 43 will also not come, 44, 45, 46, 47 will not come, 48, 49 and 50. So children, we have completed all the composite numbers between 21 to 50. Right, children? Now children, coming to the third question, circle the prime numbers in the list given below. Now from these numbers we have to circle the prime number. So while writing it in the notebook, write this question, write all the numbers, leave space in between them as left here in the textbook, and then circle it with the pencil. Got it? Now 22 is a prime number? No, it comes in the table of 2 and 11 also. So we will not circle that. 37 is, yes, 37. Then 43, yes, 43 is also a prime number. 48, no. 53, yes. 60, no. 91, no. 57, no. 59, yes. Then 77, no. 79, yes. 97, yes. And 100, no. Right, children? Understood? So the numbers which we have circled are what? Are the prime numbers. Okay, children? Now coming to the fourth question. The fourth question is, which of the prime numbers are even numbers? Which of the prime numbers are even numbers? So you remember, what did I say? Only 2. So 2 is the only even prime number. Among all the prime numbers, only 2 is the even prime number. Right, children? I hope you all have understood the exercise, the problem set done clearly. Yes, children? So you can see 2 is the only even prime number. Right, children? This was all for today. We'll continue in the next lecture. Till the time, complete this problem set in your notebook and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.